Hi, my name is Michael Sandler, talking once again about different topics in bankruptcy. When you fill out your bankruptcy forms, there are different types of debt. There is Schedule D debt, which is secured, Schedule E debt, which is priority, and Schedule F debt, which is unsecured non-priority. There's important differences between these different types of debt and what happens when you file bankruptcy. Your credit card bills, your medical bills, payday loans, cars that have been repossessed, houses that have been foreclosed, things like that. All that stuff goes under Schedule F, unsecured non-priority debt, and that's all dischargeable, generally speaking, unless there was some type of fraud or other problem. But all that debt typically is gone. It helps get you along on your fresh start. Schedule E debt is priority claims. Now there's a number of different categories for priority debt. The two main ones are taxes from the past 3 years and child or spousal support. And generally those debts are not dischargeable. I've done a previous video on taxes in particular, so feel free to take a look at that. Again, generally that debt listed on Schedule E is not discharged. And then there's debt on Schedule D, which is secured debt. And it's called secured debt because it's secured by property. So for instance, if you have a car loan, it's secured by the car. If you have a house loan, it's secured by the house. A lot of times people have debt they don't even realize is secured. So a lot of times when you're filling out that Best Buy application to buy a new television, on the application that you don't notice is the fact that whatever you buy is going to be secured by the debt. So if you file bankruptcy, then some of those debts need to be listed on Schedule D as well, and you have to make a decision whether you want to keep that property and keep making the payments or return it to the lender. Listing debt correctly is important. It takes some research to figure out how the debt should be listed, and consequences on whether the debt can be discharged or not is equally important to figure out prior to filing. And this is why you want to typically use a knowledgeable attorney to figure these things out. If you have any questions about any of your debts in particular and whether you can discharge it or not, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I'm available all the time.